Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Atif and this is the summary of today's lesson. Today we resumed our lesson 3 English student book, Intrepid Explorers. As you know that this whole unit is all about explorers and expeditions, important expeditions, expeditions of all time and all-time great explorers. So lesson 3 is also about Intrepid Explorers. We have discussed lesson objectives, vocabulary words in last lesson, and we have completed first 4 exercises. So today we resumed our lesson from activity 5, page number 85 in the student book. And exercise 5 is about word study equipment. In this exercise, we listened to the track 38 and we listened to the presentation again. Which equipment do the boys mention? Why do they need it? So I asked the students to listen to the track and then identify which of these equipments they have to use it, and then I asked them to tell the reason why they are going to need these equipments in their expedition. So I'm going to include the track for the summary purpose again. So here is the track.
Track 38.
Hi, I'm Ben, and this is Ravi and James. We're here to present our expedition plan. We're going to make an expedition to the centre of the Amazon jungle to find out about wild jaguars. We're going to find out more about how they live in their habitats so that we can understand them better and protect their environment.
If you look at our map, you can see where our expedition will start, in the town of Iquitos, in Peru. From here, we're going to travel down the Amazon River to Leticia, here. We'll camp and spend the night here. We've never been to the jungle before, so we'll take compasses and maps with us to show us the way. We'll also have a local guide with us, so we don't get lost. From Leticia, we'll trek deeper into the jungle until we come to the jaguar's habitat. We'll look for their paw prints, so we know we're in the right place. Then we'll set up our video cameras to record them at night, because they are nocturnal animals. The cameras will record while we're sleeping.
The cameras have sensors that tell them when a big animal is nearby. As soon as the jaguars appear, the video will start working. We'll check the video equipment every day. There are lots of dangerous insects and reptiles in the Amazon, such as mosquitoes, snakes, and poisonous tree frogs. We'll take light clothes that cover our arms and legs and wear lots of insect repellent. When we're sleeping, we'll have tight zips on our tents to keep out any dangerous creatures.
So that was the track. After that, students participated and we solved this exercise, and then I displayed the answers as well. So this is the answer for activity 5. After that, we have started activity 6, and activity 6 is grammar topic. So before we started the grammar topic, I displayed the vocabulary slide as well, because I included the definition of these 3 time connectors: while, until, and soon. So while means during the time, okay, during the time that, or at the same time, when two actions are happening at the same period of time for a specific duration, okay, not for just one moment, but for a specific duration at the same time. Then until means up to the end of an action. Okay, then soon as is like in or within a short time, like when the first action end then immediately the second action starts. After that, I explain the students with the help of this use of English box as well. So linking expressions about time. The cameras will record while we're sleeping. So this means that two actions will happen at the same time. Okay, parallel actions. Number one, the cameras will record video. Okay. Number two, the boys will sleep. Okay. So these two actions are happening together over a length of time. So for this scenario we use while. Until means up to. Okay, so we'll track deeper into the jungle until we came to the jaguar's habitat. It means that our action will end. Okay, so at that point, so we use the time connector until. So until means that till then the action is complete. Till then they will continue that action. So then as soon as means that when the one action stops, then immediately the second action will start at the same point. Okay, at that moment, a short, or you can say same point of time. So as soon as the jaguar appear, the video will start working. So this is the first action, jaguars appear. Second action will start immediately, the video will start working. So this is the explanation of grammar topic. Then we solved activity 4. These are also the definitions. By reading this definition, students have to guess the time connector. So they discussed it, and then I also displayed the answers as well. Here is the answer for activity 6. So then we discussed the last activity, contractions. Contractions means the short form of some words, like I will, we write it I'll, we will, like in short will. So same like that, we are, in short we're. So I told them that this is called contraction. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for your participation. Take care.